piping lines testing video. First check the electric cabinet. So every speed controller has, we have 3 separate frequency drivers control the speed. Check the back side. Okay, so we check the function one by one. First is loading. Detection sensor. If there is no material running, it will stop within the setting time. Okay, so go by one. First is conditional with ultrasonic. Check the back side. On the bottom, so we change the structure, or the valve could be controlled on the bottom. Water raising. High pressure raising. And then go into the recycle 1, 2, PB water raising. Graphic card 1 with ultrasonic. So all the exhaust we connect to the exhaust piping. And for the upper side, we protect the piping to any the high temperature. Okay. Then going to the online HIM touch screen. Card 2 with all private piping only for every wall control. One and so with more control. It's okay. Then going to the second drying part. Air dry. side. Yeah, so I using the flexible PCB for the machine's testing. Everything is running weird. Okay, that's all. So we check the bank side. Here is the auto metering. Micro edge part. The extra feature. Collective pack for floor 1 and 2. So we're making the connection directly already. With cooling, heating. Okay, that's all.